Let's start off this look by applying foundation primer first, all over the face. Now let's identify any dark spots or circles on the face and apply under eye corrector in those areas. Putting under eye corrector in this area will help to minimize the amount of makeup that we can put on the face because we're going to be canceling out certain areas and colors that we don't want shown through the makeup. Therefore, we can also eliminate the ability to use concealer as an additional step for our makeup. Now, all over the face, you're going to place dots of foundation in certain areas and just big, large dots with your fingers. No need to be perfect with this. We're going to go ahead and use our blending brush to blend all of this out seamlessly and evenly all over the face.
Can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care.
Now here comes the glam portion of it all. We're going to highlight underneath the eye. We're going to take a concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than our skin tone and place a dot on the inner corner of the eye, the outer corner of the eye, and the corner of the nose. Connect the dots and then fill in that area. This should make an upside down triangle underneath the eye. We're also going to place that concealer right between the brows on the forehead. Now with the pointy part of your blending sponge, we're going to blend out this area. We're not going to move this area too much. We just want to keep it right where it is, but we want to blend out underneath the eyes and on the forehead.
So take me on a trip, oh, flick that switch, candle lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young.
Now with whatever's left on your sponge, you can also apply it on your eyelids to brighten up your eyelids and prepare it for eyeshadow. Going back to that blending brush that we used before for our foundation, we're going to use a foundation that is 3 to 4 shades darker than our skin tone to contour the cheek. You're going to create a line from the top of your ear, almost the top of your sideburns, going towards your mouth, but stopping at right under the apple of your cheek. Then you're going to take your blending sponge and blend out the fat. With the fat part of the sponge, you're going to blend out the contour, and then with the pointy part of the sponge, you're going to blend your highlight into the contour. With the powder foundation brush, we're going to apply translucent powder all over the eyes to get them set and ready for eye makeup. Now let's start with brows. An easy way to fill in your brows is to begin at the head of your brow and draw a straight line that connects all the bottom hairs along your bottom brow, from the head to the tail. Then at the middle of the brow to the tail, you can go ahead and fill in that hair with small little strokes, but leaving the head open. Then with your eyebrow brush, you're going to actually pull from the line that's at the head of the brow and smudge that eye pencil color into the brow hairs. This is a very easy way to fill in your eyebrow hair and make it look very natural.
Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young.
Do you see the difference between the left and right side now? Now with the eye crease brush, we're going to use the same color that we're going to put on our cheeks in the socket of our eye color. So first, to use this brush, go ahead and hold it horizontally and carve out the shape. Then turn the brush so that it is vertical, and with a windshield wiping movement, go back and forth over that color until it's softened and blended. We chose the cheek color to put in the eye color because it's just going to tie the look together, and it also helps to use less product for that natural look. Now with your finger, you're going to apply Apricot Twist Cream Eye Color to the center of the lid, and then blend it out towards the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye.
I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish.
If you have longer nails or find it's very difficult to use your fingers, feel free to use your cream color eye brush to do the same thing. Now here's a quick beauty hack. You can use your eyeliner brush and your mascara to take off some of the ink from your mascara and use it as your eyeliner. Feel free to apply as many coats as you need to make it as dark and as black as you want it to be.
I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip.
And now we're just going to apply mascara to the top lashes. Yep, the same exact mascara that you used to make the liner previously. Now we're going to go back to that precision brow liner in dark brunette that we used earlier, and we're going to go through the bottom lashes, and this is what's going to give definition to those bottom lashes. Now we're going to use the powder foundation brush to apply a little translucent powder to only those areas that were highlighted, just a little bit, just so that they stay highlighted. And then with the big powder brush, we're going to apply the powder that matches your skin tone all over the face. Remembering to go over those areas as we put the translucent powder so that it doesn't leave that white flash later when you take a picture. Now with hot coral cheek color in the cheek brush, we're going to apply the cheek color from the apple of the cheek all the way up towards the temple. And then we're going to finish out the eyes by applying Ultimate Mascara to the bottom lashes. First, we're going to hold the wand up and down vertically and then horizontally. Next, let's go back to that precision brow liner, and we're going to use it as a lip liner this time. This is a perfect color because it actually has a cool brown opposed to a lot of warm browns that tend to be lip liners. Then we're going to go over that lip liner with Exotic Mango True Dimensions lipstick. Finally, we're going to finish the look with Sun Blossoms lip gloss. And that's the look, you guys. I hope you enjoy it and want to try it out.